Our mission is to get as many native plants in the ground doing their restorative work. You know, it's a patchwork of gardens that when people use their own yard to help restore the environment, it creates an exponential improvement in the health of the pollinator community.
The native plants that we handle in North America, those plants have been growing and evolving there as a species of plants for millennia. And because of that, they're better adapted to the local climate. They better support, they have relationships actually established with organisms there. You know, the pollinators, birds, other creatures have come to discover how to eat those plants and rely on those plants.
We are trying to make the process of buying a garden of native plants similar to other products you might buy online. You tell us what size, colors you like, and we lay out a list of pre-designed gardens that you can order and have shipped to you the following week. And these gardens are designed so that something is in bloom all the time. So this is my second startup tapping into a lot of what was known as the third frontier resources, giving us a lot of time of what next steps we should take. They are behind us with an investment. They've given us marketing support that have been really, really helpful for startups like ours.